So in this video, we are required to solve the system of linear equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. So we can call this one equation 1 and we can call this one equation 2. So to make this particular problem easy, you can see that in equation 2, y has already been made the subject of the formula. So we can substitute the equation 2 in equation 1 to see if the solution exists. So in this case, we now say substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So wherever we see y in equation 1, we replace it 2 over 3x plus 2. So we have 2x minus 3, right, into bracket. What is y? 2 over 3 x plus 2, right, close bracket, is equal to 5. So now let's open the bracket. So we have 2x, right, minus 3 times 2x over 3. That gives us minus 6x over 3, right, plus minus, minus times plus, that is minus 3 times 2, that is 6. That's why we can say minus 3 times 2, that will give us minus 6. Then everything is equal to 5. So in that case, we can say 2x, 3 here, 1, 3 and 6, that is 2. 2x minus 2x will now be equal to 5 plus 6. 2x minus 2x, that is 0, is equal to 11. Now, if you look at this, we could not determine the value of x and y. So what will be our conclusion? Our conclusion to this problem is no solution. So this kind of problem does not have solution. All right, so I want to believe this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.